climb and drop as it gets into resonance. So I guess I must have moved that coil a little bit. So we can move it forward. I'm moving it here. Normally that extra coil here on the end is not there, and I can, right down there, I can push it in. There's a little tab there for you to push it. So you can see really charging up that battery. So that one's charging and that one's loading. So that's the way that's working. And some of these batteries are loading and some of them are charging. Okay, so now what we want to do is see if we can disconnect. See, there we go. Now we've disconnected the resistor. And it's going faster. So we're drawing less amps. You can see it went down. And so we've bypassed. So the switch is closed right now. We're going to open that switch as soon as we turn on this relay. So let's go ahead now and connect this relay, which is this green wire here. And I think I'll connect it to this battery right here. That's the load battery powering the. Now normally I'm not going to be running a relay, but I just have that assembled that way. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this off, and you can see by the light the duty cycle. So it's not off for very long. So with a big wheel, you could do this a lot longer because there's a lot of mass stored up in the flywheel. Okay, so I'm going to turn this switch here off, so that opens it. So now you can see it's going to come down, but it's going to draw a whole lot less because there's a lot more off time. So now the primary battery, which is 1242, gets some charge back into the system, some more off time, at least off in the sense of the load. Okay, so now we have a little bit better duty cycle for this. You can hear the click on and off the relay. And of course we're going to change all these settings here, ideally, but you can see the ammeter bouncing back and forth there. Indicating it being turned on and off. The other voltages being relatively constant. So again, we can change by pressing these buttons. We'll change these batteries around over here. Click. So now this one, these two will change. This one actually will start powering the bulb. And this one will receive charge, but it still is connected to the relay, to the timer and the relay. So it's taking up more energy than I would like because of that big relay in there. But the other ones we want to look at here. So that battery there is under load, but under a little bit of charge.